Hello everyone, that's about class 2 science class, and we have to do the revision of your chapter Air Around Us. And in this chapter we learn that the air is present everywhere and all living things need air to breathe. All living things need air to breathe, and there is no life on the earth without air. And the air that we cannot see them, we cannot touch them, but we can feel it when it moves, and that is wind. When this wind blowing slowly, that we call the breeze, and this wind blowing fast and it's too strong, we called it storm. And storm is very dangerous because it damages houses, trees and crops also. So that's why that storm is so dangerous. And you know, air has many gases: oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor and dust and the smoke also. You already learnt about water vapor, right? So you know about this water vapor and the dust and smoke and the oxygen. When we take breath, we take oxygen, and when we give out the breath, we give out the carbon dioxide. But the plant take carbon dioxide and give out oxygen while they making their own food. You know, the trees making their own food on the leaves, and the leaves we call the kitchen of the plants. So they take carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen when they making their own food. So air has dust in it. That thing we know, if we keep anything for a long time, we can see a layer of dust on it. So that is, air has dust. And air has germs. You already learnt about those germs, and nowadays one germs is moving around us. So when a sick person cough and sneeze, that time those germs mix with the air and it can harm the other people. So always use handkerchief, keep your handkerchief with you, and when you are going to sneeze, when you are going to cough, that time always use handkerchief. Otherwise those germs which is inside to your body, those can mix with the air and it can harm the other people. So air has the smoke in it also, because we can see the factories, from the factories and those moving vehicles, those black smoke come out. And when the coal and wood is burnt, that time also black smoke come out, and those smoke mix with the air and this impure the air. So when we take the impure air, that time if we take it, we can fall sick, and that's not good for our health, because we have to take the clean and fresh air. We have to take clean and fresh air, and plants make the air clean. So we should grow more green plants, right? And we should also open the doors and window and let the fresh air come in. And we should not cover our face when we sleep, and we should play in the park or on the open ground, because we can take the fresh and clean air there. So air is important for life on the earth, and we should not make it impure. So we should grow more green plants. And its exercise part of this chapter, Air Around Us, you already did it. So hope you have the answer of all questions. If you have any kind of problem from these two chapters before your exam, you can ask me on your on the chat box of ePortal. Okay, so read these two chapters, Food for Good Health and Air Around Us, very attentively at your home, and practice the exercise part again and again. So have a nice day everyone, and bye.